Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to cook another lunchbox recipe. Let's get cooking. First up, boil half or 1 corn as you prefer. Half of sliced carrot. 2 sliced shallots and crush 2 slices curcuma rotunda. After it a bit soft, add 1 Luffa acutangula or half of chayote and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add 1 bunch of spinach. Stir it well. Add enough of salt and sugar. Add Indonesian basil leaf, stir it for a while and it's done. Next up, we are going to make smash egg green chili sauce. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs until mixed well. Add enough of salt and pepper. Then, heat the cooking oil in a pan. Fry the eggs until cooked and golden brown. Remove and let it chill. After chill, divide the omelet into 4 pieces. Now, prepare all-purpose flour. Pour water into flour until it reaches medium thickness. Mix it well. Take 1 part of the omelet, cover with dry flour, then coat with wet flour mixture. Then coat it again with dry flour, repeat it 2 times. Do it like when you make crispy fried chicken. Do the same steps for the rest of the omelet. Deep fry the omelet until crispy and golden brown. Lift and drain the excess oil. Now, we are making the sample. 3 cloves of garlic and 2 shallots. Add a pinch of salt and then crush them finely. Add 3 green chilies, or you can use any spicy chili if you want. Continue to crush them finely. Add a pinch of salt. Saute sambal in a hot oil until fragrant. Add a bit of salt. Stir it a while, then set aside. Next, we are going to make Balado crispy salty egg with sweet, sour, and spicy sauce. 3 cloves of garlic and 4 shallots. Add salt and then crush it finely. Add in 3 red chilies. Continue to crush them all finely. Add 2 lime leaves. One bowl of salty fish. Fry the salty fish in hot oil until brown and crispy. Stir occasionally so that it cooks evenly. Lift and drain the excess oil. Now, saute the sambal until fragrant. Add the lime leaves. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Pour 6 tablespoons of water. Pour 1 lime juice. Stir it well. Add a bit of salt and continue stir it until thickened. Then add the fried salty fish into the sauce. Stir well until the sauce seeps in. And it's all done. Let's pack it. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.